Joe Vitale here, ADU specialist. I told you I'd show you a different type of ADU this time, and I'm going to show you a very small ADU. And here we go. Here's our small ADU. Just kidding. The real ADU's that way. Just take a look. We're going to walk back there. What's special about this ADU? It couldn't be any different than the last one. Well, why? One, it's the smallest ADU I've ever done. Two, it's detached. Now that creates some challenges. One, the sewage is the biggest part of this project. The sewage is going to come right through here where we're standing and go towards the street that way where our little porta potty is. So that's a big piece of this, and it's the one most people forget. Let's go ahead and walk towards this ADU. Now this granny flat is only 385 square feet. We added this porch to it, which wasn't here before, but it was an existing building. Now that in itself is a surprise because Walnut Creek is very picky about these units. But we were able to go and find the plans from over 20 years ago for this original building, and so they grandfathered us in. Now why don't you come on in? Now of course we're in process here in this unit. This of course would be the studio area. If you rotate over here, this is going to be the kitchen. We see our sink here. We're going to have upper and lower cabinets here. So it'll be a decent kitchen with a full-size stove, a full-size dishwasher, and a smaller refrigerator on this side. Again, when you install a kitchen in an ADU, we have to worry about fireproofing, and that's why the exterior walls of this unit are fireproof. Now we'll walk in here. It might get a little dark. Of course, we have a closet with a laundry right here, and really a rather large bathroom for an ADU unit. Typically, I encourage people to make their bathrooms a little bit smaller so we can have more living space. But this client, this is her sanctuary. We're actually going to have a tub that's going to sit right here where I am, a separate shower, and then a vanity. So very practical, very useful, but only 385 square feet. But as you can see, there's a variety of options that you have with an ADU. The previous one I showed you was 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, really an apartment. This is more of a studio. What they do have in common is they're a little pricey to build. Some of the reasons for that are the sewer that we have to add, the water that we have to add, and fireproofing. And of course, structurally, even an old building like this has to be brought up to structural standards. So what you can't see are hold downs that are in the walls that we had to add, which are structural components to keep this thing together when an earthquake. So this is ADU unit number 2. I hope you learned a little something, and I'll show you a different one next time. So again, Joe Vitale here, Vitale Construction, over and out.